Hi, I'm Terry with Mr. Green Jeans Insulation, and we're in an attic in South Louisiana, and today we're going to be upgrading the insulation. This house was built in 1979, probably had original R11 to R13 blown-in fiberglass that was originally installed, which has now been compressed over time. At some point, they've added some additional batt insulation to try to deal with the extreme heat in our climate. If you can look here, you can look at the old fiberglass blown-in insulation, which is, like I said, been compressed over time. Right now, we have somewhere around 3 inches of fiberglass blown-in insulation, and then at some point, to try to deal with the extreme heat, they've added some R11 batt insulation sporadically over the attic, which hasn't improved the effectiveness of the insulation in this home. That's why we're here today. We're going to be installing 9 inches of blown-in cellulose insulation to improve the effectiveness and the efficiency of this home.